In this video, I will show you how to remove Google Flow watermark. First of all, search freevideotools.com on Google. Also, you can check out the link in the description. Click the first website and simply choose your video file from which you want to remove the watermark. Open it. So finally, to remove watermark, you need to log into your account. Let me quickly sign in to my created account. If it's this your first time, you need to sign up for the account. Let me quickly fix the password. Okay, so here's the video and here is our watermark. Then simply draw the masking over the watermark. You can always remove, edit, change the masking from the region section. Also, you can change the export quality. I will simply click on remote text button after selecting the watermark. Depending on the video size, the tool will take some time. Then finally you can see the results.